Myself, JV and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed JDVC 8th semester. We will discuss the practical session topic based on interaction of gene. Interaction of genes, deviations of dihybrid ratio, interaction of gene usually functions or express themselves singly or individually, but many cases are known where two genes of the same alleles pair are genes of two or more different allelic pairs influence one another. This is called gene interaction. Non-allelic gene interaction, these are interaction between genes located on the same chromosomes or on different but non-homozygous chromosomes controlling a single phenotype to produce a different expression. Each interaction is typical in itself and ratios obtained are different from those of the Mendelian dihybrid ratio. Some of these interaction of genes are explained here, which all fall under this category and deviated from Mendel's ratio. Okay, the interaction of gene may be of following types: two genes pairs affecting same characters 9:3:3:1 and epistates one gene hides effects of other. Recessive epistates 9:3:4 and dominant epistates 12:3:1. Complementary genes, second number complementary genes ratio 9:7. And next duplicate genes 15:1 and polymeric gene actions 9:6:1 and next inhibitory gene actions 13:3. Okay, so all types of interaction of gene seen this chart. Additive gene effects, two gene pair affecting the same characters, shape and in children 9:3:3:1 for single characters. Gene capital R represented by Rose comb and gene capital P PCOM. Okay, the combinant alleles of each of the two genes produce separate forms of phenotype when they are alone. Both capital R and capital P when brought together from a new phenotype. Walnut alleles capital R dominant over a small r and capital P dominant over a small p. Okay, and cross between parental characters capital R, small p and small r, smaller capital P. Roche and P. See in this boards and F2 generations produce following phenotypic ratio: 9:3 3:1, seen across involving of two genes interaction: 9:3:3:1 ratio for single traits, rose comb, okay, pea comb, walnut comb, and single comb, seen for different comb morphologies. Interaction of comb morphology in chicken described by Bateson and Punnett in 1996. First examples of gene interactions. Seen this plates F2 generations for 9:3:3:1. Okay students, thank you.